Hello everyone, this is Sybil. I'm here to share with you some more birthday craft goodies. I mentioned in my last couple of videos that this is my birthday month and I am going to be spoiling myself all month long because why not, right? And I also mentioned because I love my subscribers so much that I will be having hidden giveaways throughout this month on my channel. I've already done 2 so far. So if you're watching this video, I think it's my previous video before this one, I think. There's a little video and a little giveaway in that video if you want to watch that. That's, like I said, it's open for my subscribers. And I won't be sharing in the title when I do a giveaway or not. That's why, you know, they're hidden. Sometimes I'll mention it at the beginning of my video, sometimes in the middle, or sometimes at the very end, and sometimes not at all. And you'll just have to wait and see what I mean about that last particular statement, that sometimes I won't mention at all that there's a giveaway. It'll be a big surprise. Okay, so let me share with you some hauls, and I think I might break this up into 2 videos. I'm going to say this is part 1. I don't like to have my videos over 10 minutes, and I think I'm going to try to do my best and keep these under 10 minutes, or at least 10. So I did order the little kit from Simon Says Stamp, and I want to share that with you. And I also purchased a couple of the Nouveau glitter gloss brush tip clear glitter pens. Now that's a mouthful, so I'm just going to call them glitter pens from Nouveau. My ones went out. Oh, what is the brand? The shimmer pens, the twinkling pens. We all have them. I have the Spectrum Noir. I have like 3 of those. Those haven't gone out, but it's the other one. You know, they make zig. Anyway, yeah, they went out. They died on me. I've had them for quite a long time, and I love shimmer on my projects, which you would know if you see my craft projects. I love to add some pretty shimmer, so I picked up those. And here's the card kit. They give you the little candy, which I will give that to my husband when he is done working. He's not here right now. He's out of state working. So it comes with the Distress Glitter in Vintage Platinum from Ranger. You get the Delicata Pink Shimmer, and I already have like 2 others that were included in. I think I ordered one, like a set of 4 of them, and then one was in another card kit. You get the beautiful shimmer. Look at that. They're so pretty. This one doesn't have a shimmer to it, but the envelopes, these are all shimmers. So pretty. And this beautiful stamp set. I love the hearts. I love hearts. I use them all year long in my crafting. And it says XOXO, I really like you, love you, you're my favorite. And then the XOs, and then hearts. And then all these little words down at the bottom. And this stamp set is called Really Like You, which you can get this separately. You don't have to purchase the kit. And then Main Squeeze puffy stickers from Crepe Paper. They're so cute. I really like them. Really cute. And then this is paper from, I'm not sure, is it Crepe Paper? It looks like it could be Crepe Paper. But isn't that gingham pretty? So you got that there. Really pretty. Oh, I love that one. That's pretty. So there's that. And then they give you the sheet with a bunch of ideas there. And then you get your cardstock. So I've got the red, and it's like a mint, a black, a pink, a fuchsia, and a craft. So really excited to create some pretty Valentine's Day cards with that. And I'll probably be doing some of those on my card series coming up soon. me move that out of the way. And then today, my very first order, I want to show you the package because it's so cute, from Stamp Anything. Really, really cute. Isn't that package adorable? That's what they came in. So, I mean, I could color that and cut that out with this and put that on some Happy Mail that I'm sending to somebody. Oh, I love it. It's adorable. And then, look at this. How sweet. This little sucker here, little rainbow sucker on this little cute tag, and it says thank you. So, I mean, once you take this off, you can use the tag. That will go to my husband as well. So set that aside for him. And then here are the stamps. And I will say that what got me interested in purchasing these stamps, or who got me interested, I should say, is Nicole. And she's Teach Dance on Instagram, and her cards and coloring of these adorable images, it's just so beautiful. So I thought, after seeing her beautiful projects for several months now, that I would purchase a few of these. So this is Katie, Without the Rain, and it says, without the rain, there is no rainbow. I love their big little, I love their big eyes on their little, you know, their head's really big and their body's little, so cute. And this one is called Molly Sunflower. She's so sweet in her little bib overalls there, their shorts, so cute. And then this one, Enjoy the Ride, and it's Julie, Enjoy the Ride. So I'm going to have a lot of fun coloring those up. And then, excuse me, I went to Amazon and I purchased all of these things. And let me pull this out and share with you first this. This is a large fridge bins. I mean, look how big that is. That is really big and really wide. And Jennifer McGuire was sharing on her favorites series, I think it was on her organization, the large bins here, this one, for like stamps that are really wider and taller than most regular stamps. So say like your Hero Arts kits, they have the big stamp set that comes in them, and I can't get them to fit in, you know, my other fridge bins, so they'll be perfect for in here. And I do have an order with Simon Says Stamp that I placed about a week ago or more for the large bags, for those, you know, bigger stamp sets. And then like this, you know, these will be able to fit in because these are too large this way to fit in my regular fridge bin. So I got that, just wanted to share that with you. And because I love organization. Now this might look like, really, what have you done? What have you purchased? Well, I was watching Jessica Frost. What is her last name? Frost. I will put a link to her 2 videos about alcohol inks. And I love using the alcohol inks and making the backgrounds. And Jennifer McGuire has fabulous videos showing all different techniques, and I've had so much fun, which made me start searching other technique videos. And Jessica's videos, she uses more heavy-duty Yupo paper, so I picked up this. I'm not sure if this is what she uses in her video, but like I said, I'll link her 2 videos. One is she uses the stronger Yupo paper, and she uses a blower. This is a Polaroid super blower to move the ink about on the paper. And her backgrounds are just amazing, so beautiful. So I wanted to try that. And then she also has another video where she used the alcohol ink to color stamped images. And she uses these little things, and they're actually for microblading, but if, like I said, I'll have the link to both of her videos, and when you watch that video, you'll see what she does to kind of keep the ink inside the image as best as possible. So I want to try that too, because both of them were so beautiful and really, really inspiring me to want to try that. So now I'm just a few seconds over 10 minutes. I want to stop and I will come back for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.